My previous video, if you have watched that, and lip care, to try our, oh my god, so I am excited to pour also, but
What a wonderful.
hi you guys, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about lip balms. So I'm going to share my newly brought, or you all can say, lip balm haul under 200 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So I bought this lip balms from an offline cosmetic store, and I think if I can give the link of this lip balms, I will definitely, but if I can't, then I can only give you the names and prices of the lip balms. So let's start. So the first lip balm I have here is this, and this is the Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter Lip Care Lip Balm, and it's already opened because my sister is using this lip balm. And let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the lip balm. So this is the lip balm, and look, it's a yellow in color, it's a caramel kind of a color, and it smells like caramel only. And I didn't try this, but I think it's a good lip balm. Oh, it gives yellow tint, if you all can see. It definitely gives a yellow tint here. Don't mind my lipstick swatches here. Next lip balm I have here. Okay, let me tell you the price of this thing. So the Himalaya one, it's for 150 rupees, this one. And the next lip balm I have here with me is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Magic Kisses lip balm with SPF 20, and it says it's a translucent lip color, 12-hour moisturizing, make my lip shine naturally. So, and it's in the variant Berry Crush. I said that I won't be buying Biotique products anymore, but I wanted to give this lip balm a try because it by looking at it, it looks a bit fancy. So I really like the packaging printing here. So I thought let's try this thing, but I haven't opened it, and I will not probably, because I'm not going to use this anytime soon, because I am already using the Revona Chocolate Coffee Lip Balm right now, and it's not even halfway done yet. So that's why. Okay, so and this retails for rupees 150 again. The next lip balm I have here with me is the okay, I haven't told you the quantity of each of the lip balms. So the Himalaya one is 4.5 gram, and the Biotique is 4 gram, and this is my third lip balm, and it's by Joy Lip Balm, and it's in the variant strawberry, and this has SPF 15 with fruit extracts and natural sunscreen. So eye catching product again, and this retails for rupees 35 only, and the quantity is 10 gram. Oh my god, so fancy. So actually I don't like strawberry variants, but I couldn't stop myself from buying this Joy lip balm in the strawberry variant, and it didn't have any other variant except from strawberry, so I thought I will give this one a try too. The next lip balm I have with me here is the Lakme's Lip Love Pure Lip Care 22 Hours Moisture Lip Balm with SPF 15, and this retails for rupees 150, and you get 4.5 gram. And the packaging, I like this packaging also, and this Lakme Lip Love lip balm had many other variants too, but I wanted transparent kind of a lip balm which will not give a tint to my lips, because I have many lip balms here more, and the previous lip balms also gave lip tints, so I wanted a clear lip balm, so here it is. And let's move on to the next lip balm. So the next lip balm I have here with me is again by Himalaya, and it's the Cocoa Butter Lip Balm, and this both are the same, but my sister uses this, so I thought why not to get a smaller one rather than getting this thing. And this lip balm is also cheaper than that one. It retails for rupees 45, and the quantity is also more than that. It's a 10 gram product, and I have used the clear lip balm from Himalaya, so I hope that this will be good too. It says naturally beautiful and buttery soft lips, rich cocoa butter, long lasting moisturization. And okay, so there's nothing written over here regarding the SPF or anything, but that is fine. Himalaya is a trusted brand. And the next product I have here, okay, if you have noticed that all of these lip balms are from different brands, leaving these two both are from Himalaya, and this is from Lotus Herbals in the variant Tinted Watermelon Splash Lip Lush Sheen with Zappy Color Real 8-hour Moisture with SPF 15. So it's in the variant Watermelon, and it says that it's suitable for all seasons, and this one retails for rupees 175. I think from all the products, this one and the other lip balm is more like the highest maximum expensive one. I wouldn't call it expensive, but the higher price, but under 200. So, and the quantity of this lip balm is 4 gram. Okay, and the packaging of this lip balm is fancy here. Okay, not this packaging, but this packaging, if you all can see. And to tell you, this lip balm packaging is also very nice. Only this one, this is fancy, but this one is too. Is this Himalaya Peach Shine Lip Care Lip Balm, and it says that it's 100% natural color, naturally glossy, soft and rejuvenated lips, and this cost rupees 150 again, and it's a 4.5 gram product, and it says free from preservatives, petroleum jelly, mineral oil and silicone. Very impressive. And to tell you guys, this one and this one, both of the Himalaya lip balms, they have something here written as rupees 3 you have gifted for corrective cleft surgery, if you all can see here. So I really liked this thing. Anyways, I think it's the last one. Yeah, oh my god, this is the last product, and this is a lip balm from Eva, and this was on the offer, buy one get one free, and it says fresh lips moisturizing colored lip balm with vitamin E, and I have got two color here. One is strawberry sorbet and the other one is scarlet rose, and this cost me rupees 175, and the quantity here is 4.5 gram each. Okay, both of them are rupees 175 each, but I got them on the offer for buy one get one free, so it's very impressive. And see, the inner packaging is nice, simple but cute. So very good, I must say. I'm really excited to use this lip balms, and I'm very impressed also. From all of the lip balms, the lip balms which I'm very excited to try are the Eva one and the Lakme one, the Biotic one, and the last one, Lotus. And yeah, that's all for my video today guys, and if you like my video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and follow Agima's Lifestyle and the Siva Style Store. And I forgot to mention this thing in my previous two videos from the birthday month series, is that I have a website, my website, so that you all can shop from my website directly, and as you all know that my online store on Instagram, Agima's Lifestyle, so it's the same one which I have the website for. So please do try to shop from the website more than from the Instagram store. There is no problem in buying from my Instagram store also, but it will be more easier for you to shop from the website than from the Instagram store, if you get what I mean. So this is all for today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.